Ever wondered how Changi Airport's Skytrain glides so smoothly between terminals, almost like it's floating? Welcome aboard the Crystal Mover, Mitsubishi's driverless wonder that turns a simple transfer into a futuristic ride. If you are new to NATEch of Cebu, just hit the subscribe button for free. These sleek shuttles run entirely on their own. No driver, no steering wheel, just a silent choreography of sensors, computers, and electric power working together with pinpoint accuracy. Each train rolls on rubber tires, giving every journey that soft, cloud-like glide Changi is known for. Guided by rails on both sides, the Skytrain stays perfectly aligned, even while cruising above busy runways and tropical gardens in real time. It knows exactly where each carriage is, how fast it's moving, and when it needs to slow down or speed up. It even maintains a safe bubble between trains, ensuring they never get too close no matter how busy the airport gets. When the Skytrain arrives at a station, the timing is flawless. The vehicle eases to a stop within centimeters of the platform doors, and in one smooth motion, both sets of doors slide open together. Passengers step in, step out, and the journey continues. Fully electric, fully automated, designed for short hops and long views. Inside, the wide windows and bright interiors give you a front row seat to Changi's runways, gardens, and the awe-inspiring rain vortex shining in the distance. In the end, Crystal Mover isn't just a people mover. It's part of Changi's promise that even the ride between terminals should feel effortless, modern, and a little bit magical.